types of a partnership forms. So types of a partnership forms, there are the two types of a partnership forms on the basis of a durations and on the basis of based on a liabilities. On the basis of a durations, partnerships divided on a three types: partnership at will, fixed period partnerships, and particular partnerships. And based on a liabilities, partnership divided into another two types: general partnerships and limited partnership. So first I am going to explain you the fixed period partnership. The fixed period partnership formed for a specific period of time, for example 3 years, 2 years, 5 years. So this type of partnership is known as a fixed period partnerships, and this type of partnership forms automatically gets terminated on expiry of that specific time period. Let's take an example. For example, there are the two partners are here, Amar and Ram, and according to partnership agreement, their partnership is for the 5 years. Their partnership, according to agreement, their partnership is for the 5 years. On the their contract started from, let's take an example, for example 2010, and 2015 their duration is completed on 2015. So after completion of this durations, now they are having the two options for them. First option is dissolve the partnership forms. Here they can dissolve the partnership forms. Another option is also there, or they can continue their partnership forms. So if they want to continue their partnership forms, so they can convert their partnership form at partnership at will. So here, after completion of their specific time periods, they are having the two options: dissolve the partnership forms, or they can also continue their partnership forms. So if they want to continue their partnership forms, so they can convert their partnership at partnership will. After then I will explain to you what is a partnership will. So now let's move to the another type of a partnership form, particular partnership. Particular partnership formed to carry on a particular ventures, and it is end automatically on the completion of that ventures. A venture is a project or activity. So a venture means a project or activity. So the partnership which is formed to carry on a particular ventures is known as a particular partnership, and this type of a partnership comes to an end automatically on completions of that ventures or projects. Let's take an examples. With the help of example I will explain you. Here the two partners are here, Ram and Shyam. These two partners having a projects. That project is construction of bridge, and when their construction work is completed, so after completions of their project work, they are having a two options. First option is they can dissolve their partnership form. They can dissolve their partnership form, and another option is there. Otherwise, they can convert their partnership form at will. So here we can say like this also: when bridge gets constructed and is ready, then the partnership automatically comes to end. So here the construction work is completed. So after the completion of construction works, they are having a two options. First option, they can dissolve the partnership forms, and another option is they can convert their partnership forms at a will. So now let's move to the topic. So the third type of a partnership is partnership at a will. So partnership at a will formed for an indefinite periods, so is known as a partnership at a will. This type of partnership exists at the will of the partners and comes to an end whenever partners desire so. So no duration is specified in the partnership agreement. Here according to agreement, partnership agreement, there is a no durations, and any one partner can give a notice of dissolutions and partnership will came to an end.